Turn your pain into unstoppable purpose. That is the journey we're beginning right now. And before anything else, I want you to understand one truth that most people never fully accept. Pain is not the enemy. Pain is a signal. Pain is information. Pain is a doorway disguised as suffering. But the moment you learn how to read that signal instead of running from it, you unlock a power inside you that most people never even touch in their entire lifetime. Everyone has pain, everyone carries wounds, some people hide them, some people deny them, and some people try to bury them so deep that even they can't feel them anymore. But you're here because something inside you knows your pain isn't meant to break you. It's meant to shape you. It's meant to turn you into someone sharper, stronger, and more aligned with your purpose than you've ever been before. Think back to the things that hurt you the most, the betrayal, the loss, the disappointment, the moment that shattered your expectations, the day you realized someone you trusted wasn't who you thought they were. Or maybe it's the battle inside your head, the silence, the loneliness, the pressure that no one can see but you feel every second of the day. These aren't random moments, they're not curses, they're not punishments, they are turning points. They are invitations from life telling you, wake up, rise up, redirect your energy, build something with this. Because here's the tiny mental shift that changes everything. Pain is not something happening to you. Pain is something awakening within you. When something hurts you, it's exposing a part of you that was asleep. That's why it stings, because it's waking up a deeper strength, a deeper wisdom, a deeper version of yourself that you didn't even know existed. Imagine a seed underground. From the outside, it looks buried, lost, invisible, but inside pressure is building, the darkness is shaping it. The soil is forcing it to break open. And from that break, from that pressure, a root grows, and then a stem, and then a life. The same thing happens to you. Your pain is the pressure that cracks you open so something new can grow, so something powerful can rise, but most people never allow it. Why? Because the moment pain hits them, they run. They hide. They numb themselves with distractions, scrolling, noise, temporary happiness, meaningless comfort. They don't want transformation. They want escape. But you cannot evolve and escape at the same time. Your purpose is born from the very places you're trying to avoid. The wound you hate the most may be the exact wound that teaches you your mission in this world. The heartbreak that crushed you may be the same pain that teaches you how to love deeper, lead wiser, or inspire others through your journey. The failure that embarrassed you may be the very lesson that shapes your greatness. You are not broken, you are not behind, you are not lost, you are being prepared. This segment, this moment is your reminder that everything you've experienced so far has been building the foundation of who you're becoming. And now, finally, you're ready to stop running from your pain and start using it. You're ready to redirect that fire into something unstoppable. Now that you understand pain isn't the enemy, you're ready for the next step, turning that pain into power. And this begins with the smallest mental shift, a shift so subtle most people overlook it, but so powerful it can rebuild your entire identity from the inside out. Here it is. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What is this trying to build in me?" This single question flips the entire meaning of your struggle. Suddenly, you're not a victim of circumstances. You're a student of them. You're not powerless. You're being prepared. You're not lost. You're being carved into someone sharper and more aligned with your purpose. Every painful experience contains a message, but you only unlock that message when you look at your pain with awareness instead of fear. Let's break this down into the 3 psychological transformations that turn pain into purpose. 1. Pain cracks your ego so truth can enter. We build our identities around expectations, who we think we should be, who others want us to be, who society tells us to be. Pain breaks that illusion. It destroys the fake version of you so the real one can rise. When you lose something or someone, when you fail, when you hit rock bottom, life is clearing space. It's removing what is no longer aligned with your future. 2. Pain forces you to develop emotional strength that comfort never could. Comfort teaches nothing. Comfort keeps you soft, predictable, and dependent on external validation. Pain does the opposite. It sharpens your mind. It strengthens your willpower. It teaches you patience, resilience, and emotional intelligence. It gives you depth. Without pain, your character stays shallow. With pain, your character becomes unshakable. 3. Pain becomes your compass. The parts of your life that hurt the most often show you exactly what you care about. They point you toward your purpose. For example, if abandonment hurt you deeply, your purpose may involve connection, loyalty, or leadership. If failure crushed you, your purpose may involve mastery, discipline, or achievement. If betrayal broke you, your purpose may involve truth, boundaries, and transformation. Your pain reveals what matters to you. What matters to you becomes your mission, and your mission becomes your purpose. Now, how do you turn this understanding into action? You start by reframing every painful memory you've been carrying. Instead of saying, "He hurt me," say, "That experience taught me my value. I failed," becomes, "I learned what didn't work. I lost everything." Becomes, "I was forced to rebuild stronger. No one supports me." Becomes, "I'm learning to support myself." This is not delusion. It is transformation. It is ownership. It is power. The people who change the world are not the ones who lived the easiest lives. They are the ones who turned their struggles into strength, their wounds into wisdom, and their pain into purpose. This final segment is where everything comes together. This is where your pain becomes a mission. This is where your struggle becomes fuel. This is where your past transforms into something so powerful it pushes you forward for the rest of your life. You've understood your pain. You've reframed your pain. Now it's time to use your pain. Here's the truth. Purpose is not something you find. Purpose is something you create with the pieces of your life, especially the broken ones. Your pain is the raw material. Your mindset is the fire, your action is the transformation, and it all begins with this final mental shift. If I had to go through this, then I will make sure it produces something meaningful. This is the mindset of champions. This is the mindset of survivors. This is the mindset of every person who turned a dark chapter into a powerful legacy.